Are you one of many who have memories of events occurring at a different time or place than the historical record recalls? At the Transdimensional Research Institute, we believe these instances to be proof we are not alone. We exist in one of many, possibly infinite, three-dimensional worlds, all contained within a four-dimensional reality outside our understanding. As such, time becomes a four-dimensional concept of which we only perceive three facets, therefore viewing as linear. From recent research breakthroughs, we theorize the entanglement between dimensions during events called eclipses results in these timelines becoming bent. This is all possible because our belief that all dimensions are connected by time in a tesseract-like shape. Wherever timelines overlap, eclipses occur. In these times, boundaries between dimensions blur in a way that allows for elements from multiple dimensions to exist on the same plane of reality. To better understand the effects of eclipses on our world, we have classified them into three categories. The first and most common type of eclipse is typically localized to one person. This is known as a desynchronized eclipse and occurs when timelines between dimensions are staggered during a crossover. Also referred to as a neurotransfer or perception warp, it most commonly manifests as a shared memory between two variants of the same person across dimensions. In this way, a person may experience past memories from an alternate future self who has already lived through the events in question. This is often realized through the form of a dream later recalled to memory when the event is witnessed. You may know this as a feeling referred to as déjà vu. Due to the nature of this type of eclipse, occurring at an unknown point in time, then later being realized when a memory is recalled, it is nearly impossible to predict or actively witness a desynchronized eclipse as it occurs, thus only its effects can be observed. The second type is a synchronized or collective transfer eclipse. These can occur when timelines are staggered, similar to a Category 1, or additionally when timelines converge at the same point, depending on the relationship between dimensions. But regardless, this results in the two dimensions sharing the same physical space for an unspecified duration, could be seconds or years. A synchronized eclipse manifests as a mass misremembrance of historical event details or when they took place, as well as differences in location, and most commonly, names or logos. The final category of eclipse is known as a dimensional syzygy, or multi-sync eclipse. It is the theoretical possibility of more than two dimensions converging at the same point in all their respective timelines simultaneously. While unknown, it is thought that an event like this could potentially have irreversible effects on how the physics of our world behave, bringing us closer to a four-dimensional existence. As we do not know how many dimensions exist, we are unable to determine the probability of such an event ever occurring. Research is, after all, in the beginning stages. Now that you know the basics of dimensional eclipses and their effects, you may be wondering why it matters. Here at TRI, we believe the key to our survival lies within parallel dimensions. Due to how timelines can become staggered during eclipses, we believe if we develop a means of stabilizing these events, we may be able to reliably travel to another dimension further back in its own timeline, colonizing it to save our species. Even if other dimensions have a similar fate to our own, given more time and resources, we may have a chance to develop a solution. Thank you for your attention to these matters. An increase in awareness means an increase in our chances for success.